afternoon, and thank you so much for joining us on the Michigan News Channel, Southeast Lower Michigan, Detroit. This is meteorologist Eric Tallman with an urgent weather message. Wind advisory for all of Southeast Lower Michigan until 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. Please stay tuned for the following updates, and I'll be right back with that. Stay with us. We'll be right back after this. Good afternoon. This is meteorologist Eric Tallman. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. And it looks like it might be a busy one for us here in the weather department. Wind advisory is in effect for southeast lower Michigan, and that does include the following counties: Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, Washtenaw, Wayne, Lenawee, Monroe, including the cities of Howell, Pontiac, Warren, Ann Arbor, Detroit, Adrian, and Monroe. A wind advisory in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon until 8 o'clock this evening for much of the metro area. We're just having difficulties with the camera. We apologize for this. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from what we had told you before, 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. this evening for all of southeast lower Michigan. There is the possibility of power outages with this wind advisory, with wind gusts near 45 miles per hour, and this will be between the hours of 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. This evening. So that means that we could see down limbs and localized power outages possible across southeast Michigan and metro Detroit areas as well. Hazardous driving for high-profile vehicles. So wind advisory means that winds of 45 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. So please use extreme caution and extra caution if you're going to be out and about in southeast lower Michigan. Please stay tuned for the latest updates, and we'll keep you posted on this wind advisory for southeast lower Michigan. Stay tuned, and if we receive any other additional alerts or warnings or watches or anything of this nature, please stay tuned. And you're watching the Michigan News Channel, Southeast Michigan, Detroit. Thank you for joining us for this urgent weather update. Back to our regular scheduled programming. We'll see you within the hour. Thank you.